When we talk of surge arresters, we must also talk about transmission line surge arresters. These are called TLA, transmission line arrestor. Now, one of the problems that we face in a transmission line is there can be lightning strikes onto a transmission line, which is normally taken to ground by the structure and dissipated to the ground. However, when the earthing of the structure is not proper, these surges can bounce back, and when they bounce back, they carry on to the first available conductor at the bottom transmission tower. This creates a flashover over the insulating material or insulators that is provided and can continue to the substation which is nearby. And the process, what happens in between, is that these high voltages multiply as they go towards the substation, thus creating an extra high voltage as it reaches the substation. When it reaches the substation, the first product that is seen by it is the arrestor or the substation arrestor. This arrestor takes the entire brunt of the extra high voltage that is coming onto it and normally will take it to ground but fail in the process. The problem could also be that the earth wire which is connected on top of the tower has rusted or is not in proper contact with the structure itself. This creates a problem that wherever the structure is involved in a lightning or the earth wire is involved in a induced voltage, this is not taken to the ground but carries on towards the substation. So what is normally done in a transmission line arrestor is an arrestor which is normally of class 2 or class 3 is suspended onto the transmission line immediately after the insulator, and the bottom part of the arrestor is connected through a disconnector to the ground material, either through structure or directly. Now, whenever a lightning takes place or an induced voltage occurs on the transmission line and it bounces back from the earth and goes over the insulator, it immediately sees an earth point as the surge arrestor. This surge arrestor takes the voltage to the ground and ensures that the system remains intact without being disconnected from the supply source. This ensures proper supply to the consumer and revenue to the utility. Now, in case where the surge arrestor has operated multiple times and the surge arrestor fails after its life, the disconnector which is there at the bottom of the surge arrestor creates a small explosion or a blast of that particular disconnector, and the earth point falls away from the disconnector. Now the disconnector is just left hanging from the line, but it is not connected to earth nor is it connected elsewhere. So the surge arrestor acts as though there is no connection at all, and the system will remain fully intact and in operation. For more information or technical details on any of these products or products other than these products also, we would request you to kindly contact us, which we will take care and ensure that you have the fullest details at all points of time. Thank you.